My gloss is poppin'. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
Welcome back to another video. We got a new MUNCHPAK, and we're gonna open it and see what we got.
Okay, so this one we got in the mail, another one, so we're just going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got in here. So I'll read this. So today, the one that we got this time is from France.
Boom!
So that's really cool. What was our last one?
I don't know. Let's go.
I'm going to show you what is kind of in here. Not going to show everything, and we're just going to kind of go through it. So,
And I get to choose first.
It's those chips you always wanted.
what chip?
The wrap chips.
Where's that one?
Thing.
Oh,
First, I'm
I
gonna
don't
review.
I've never wanted those.
Yeah, we see them on Instagram.
We're gonna do.
Okay. So the first one, Fame's going to choose.
I don't
What?
think you can see
What
that.
is it?
It's just from Chinese.
It's from Japan. It's a Looped Koala's March caramel flavor. A crunchy koala-shaped cookies with sweet caramel cream.
Okay, I get to eat it first. Whoever picked them out, they gotta eat it first.
Why can I not freaking open this bottle? Okay.
I already ate it and it's nasty.
You didn't like it? Okay, there you go. Okay, so and for the drinks we have sparkling red grape and
You got
just
water.
So my turn. I'm just gonna randomly, because we haven't looked in here. We don't ever look in them. We just try to go in.
Mmm. Cedar.
Oh, I got a dip. What is it? This is Double Dip by Swizzles. Orange and cherry flavored fizz dips with a Swizzles stick.
Picks it out. They gotta eat it first.
Okay, let's see.
You gotta do both of them.
Oh,
Mom.
this ain't... It ain't from France. It's Francis who packaged our MUNCHPAK.
Oh yeah, these are from all over the place.
Yeah.
Oh my hell.
But you gotta dip it in both.
I know what I want to try.
Oh, so this one's a little bit different. It has like a dip.
I think so.
Oh, you are. My turn. I'm gonna do both of them.
It's
Both.
It's kind of whatever.
Yeah. How do you open this?
Kind of tastes like a fizz. Oh, it is a fizzy dip. That's why.
Yeah, it's not.
My
I'm not
teachers are
crazy
good
about
though.
it.
They're over there. I love that.
Okay.
I want to try.
You can't look.
What is this weird box I found? Brain Blasters, apple and strawberry sour candy from the United Kingdom.
From the UK.
The UK.
There's a sticker. Ooh.
Kind of jacked up. Brain Blasters.
And there's like tape. Look.
He's like
Does it make your brain?
kind of like a nerd. Tastes like nerds.
Yeah.
Nerds.
It tastes like nerds.
Tastes like nuds.
Not crunchy.
Same turn? Okay.
I can
Yeah, see.
Ooh,
Pick something.
This is the frog one, right?
I don't know.
Ah, I wasn't going for this.
That's okay. We'll still open it. It's Boy Boing. Boing. Cornick. Cornick. These are from the Philippines. I just want to squeeze it and pop it.
Do it.
No.
Do it, do it. Do it, Mom, do it.
I'll probably get it all over.
I'm gonna do
Watch like this.
Look.
Look.
Okay.
Ew!
It's like corn nuts. It's like corn nuts. This is actually really good.
Not as hard as a corn nut.
Yeah. The corn nuts are kind of harder, huh?
Mm.
Now I'm going to choose it. Okay. So this one is it's Oreos inside milk chocolate. Milka Oreo. This one looks good.
What the heck?
I feel like I'm like opening a Willy Wonka chocolate.
Whoa!
That's what it looks like. Okay. Break this apart. I'm gonna make a mess.
Ooh.
Oreo.
Oreo inside of chocolate.
Mmm.
Mmm.
See, this would have been good for the movie.
Mm-hmm.
I told him I wanted to film before we went to the movie so I could take these snacks with us. So, I like.
Yay.
Show them what you got. What is it?
Whispered. Eat fruity many. No.
Sea creature gummies.
Sea creature gummies. Sea creature. These smell really good. I'm gonna get like.
I'm gonna do the yellow.
I
I got a seahorse.
Hey!
A lobster crab thing.
And a squid. Now I tasted mine. Now it's time to taste other people.
That tastes like a circus peanut.
It's like those gummies.
Now just eat it all, Mom. Okay, on to the next one.
Maybe like,
Mom
okay,
and
Dad's
your
turn.
No, it's not. No, it's your turn.
No, it's Dad's turn.
After me, it's you.
We got Mamogi corn stick roasted corn flavor from Indonesia. This one is a Mamogi corn stick roasted corn flavor.
Okay.
The mozzarella stick.
Ew! What the hell is a mozzarella stick? Ew, no. If it's really too crunchy, it means that's not that good.
It's good. So, Thame left us because he wasn't digging the snacks. And he's like, you know what? Peace out. I'm gone. So, we're just going to finish this. He hasn't had a nap yet. And it's like 5 something in the afternoon. And we like been shopping literally all day. So, he parted his ways from us. So, we're going to finish this.
I'll just roll with this.
I thought it was biscuits.
It's a Loot apple pie biscuit. Crunchy mini biscuits filled with apple cream. The glorious. Oh. Alright.
Oh, cool. This is a cute box.
Open it.
It's like little biscuits.
Biscuits. It's a hamster.
Oh, I like this. Oh, it tastes like perfume.
Mine didn't have nothing really in it. I'm trying another one.
I like the box. It kind of melts in your mouth, but it's not as,
It's real flaky.
yeah, it's baked in a, what is it? Baked in a crispy, flaky crust. That's going to be us when we're old. Baked in a buttery, flaky crust. Is that what they say?
The line is baked in a buttery, flaky crust.
Baked in a buttery flavored crust. Crust. Yeah. Baked on a buttery, crispy crust. That cool?
Jack, flaky.
I thought I said flaky.
Baked in a baked in a buttery, crispy flake.
Baked in a
I don't
buttery,
know what you're talking about.
that commercial where it's like, baked in a buttery, flaky crust. And he couldn't say it, and that wife's getting mad at him. Do you know what I'm talking about? I just like the box.
I would snack on them all day.
Oh, I was gonna say, why does it look like Cardi B, but it does. It is Cardi B. Wrap Snacks Wavy. Cardi B Jerk Barbecue. They're wavy chip potatoes from USA. That is definitely Cardi B. Okay, stay true to who you are, it says. Ochre. Meow. You gotta eat. So when you eat these, are you going to turn into Cardi B? Ow. They're not terrible. They're kind of hot.
I got barbecue.
Well, it's like
What's
lot
the
of
jerk
pepper.
stuff?
oh.
Like the jerk chicken.
So eat these, and then you turn into Cardi B.
Meow.
I like all of the snacks so far. Okay.
Pretty good, pretty good. We got
So that is the last one.
bonbon cola flavor from Turkey.
What is a bonbon?
I don't know, hard candy, I guess. And they're even individually wrapped. Like a hagel.
It's a hard candy?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes just like soda.
Mm-hmm. But without the carbonation. Pretty good stuff.
So now... Someone help me. Okay, now we're going to say which one we like the best. They were all like really good. It depends on if I'm looking for something more like, I don't know, sweet or savory. But there's a lot of sweet stuff.
Sweet.
Or
Or more
sweet.
of a snack. Like,
I don't, yeah, because some of them are not all like, that one's just really good. They should have given us more of these. Okay, I probably will say the Milka because I like a lot of chocolate and stuff. So
I would have to go with these weird pie biscuit things. They're pretty good. I need a whole box right now.
but then if I wasn't wanting something sweet, I'd probably have to go with these, what were these? Like cheese sticks, corn stick roasted. These I really like these, but they only gave us 2. So we're gonna have to fight over these. And the corn nuts were good, but
I'll go with these.
I'm gonna give you something. And you have to guess what it is, okay? Just by a lick. Okay?
You can't get no taste from a lick.
Just stick your tongue out.
But not be a booty.
Huh?
That's a lipstick.
Do it again.
That's those gummy things, those gummy sharks. Whatever it was.
That's pretty much it for everything. Mostly everything in this one. I kind of like this one better than the last one. Did you like this one better or the last one?
I'd say this one was the good box.
Yeah, I think I like this one way better. I think Thame would probably say that he liked the box before. But I think this one has better snacks in it for us. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you're always notified every time I post up a new video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!